What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use circle to search in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to use this feature, first of all tap and hold on this home screen button, and then you can circle anywhere on your screen to search. So for example, if you want to search about this part of your screen, then circle around the object or the part of screen, and then it will search the related results. So if you want to search from an image, then open gallery, open the image. Now tap and hold on this home button and then circle the part of the image, and then it will search for the related images. So that's how you can use circle to search in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.